Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to add Discord bots to your Discord server. So as you can see, I have a server set up. It's just called tutorial server, just for the purpose of this tutorial. I have changed nothing. I just set it up and I did nothing. So to add a bot, you want to first find the bot link. I'm going to be using Me6 as an example. I will leave this link in the description. So I'm just going to click Add to Discord. Now it might look different than this, but when you add it, it should look the exact same. So I'm just going to click Setup. So this will pop up. So it should always look like this. You can choose a server you want to add it to if you didn't choose the right one. And then make sure that you're logged in on the correct account. Click Continue. And you need to allow all of these for it to work. So just click Authorize. Fill that out. Alright, so as you can see, I am now on the dashboard. So now if we go back to server, as you can see, I have a notification. Me6 has made it. So of course you can set up custom commands with Me6. Every bot is different, so you can have it do different things like search the web, record audio, help servers, music, levels. There's a lot of things you can do. You can do welcome, you can do custom commands. So you can set this up, send a message when a user joins server, you can customize it. So thank you guys for watching. Hope this tutorial helped you out. And if you guys need anything else, just join the Coding Break Discord and you can put it in requests. Link will be in the description. And thank you.